Software engineering is a craft, and people who are passionate about it, like myself, are very much against vibe coding. Like, I hate it. Imagine trying to convince Picasso, the greatest artist to ever grace planet Earth, that he should hop on an AI art trend. He will spit on you, and that's honestly how I feel about vibe coding. Software engineering is a craft to me and a lot of other people. You get the thrill when you sit down and think of clever syntax or logic to solve a complex problem. Every decision you make, every implementation you make into a software, it's very intentional. But now you barely have to think of clever syntax or solutions. You barely have to even think of anything. AI models or these AI agents can figure that out in fractions of a second. It just really hurts me to see something I am very passionate about, something I really love being automated by AI. That being said, when you grow in your career and reach a specific maturity, you begin to realize that coding is a very small percentage of your responsibility as a software engineer. Like, very, very small. There are other operational and complex problems that software engineers solve, like systems design, software availability, architecture, and stuff like that. The benefits I see to vibe coding. You know what? I actually hate that. Let me just make this clear. I hate that word vibe coding. I feel like a better term for it would be using AI agents to write code. Like the term vibe coding just icks me out. The benefits I see is it shifts your focus to other key components of building, maintaining, and scaling software that doesn't necessarily involve coding or very little to no coding. People call this a trend. It's no longer a trend. It's a norm. Companies are now building new features with code that was 50 to 60% generated by AI. It has been proven to work. It's the new norm, and sadly, it will continue to be the new norm. And this is where the whole AI will take the jobs of software engineers. This is where it stems from. And honestly, I find it really funny when people say that, especially out of fear. AI would only redefine our responsibilities as software engineers in the sense that our primary focus wouldn't be writing code anymore like it used to be in the 2000s or 2010s. Our primary responsibilities will be different, and what it's going to be is still kind of blurry at this moment, but I believe with time it's going to be clearer. I am convinced that people who truly enjoy vibe coding aren't really passionate about the craft of being a software engineer. And it's really funny the amount of times that people come to my DM with projects that they have vibe coded 40 or 50% of the way and they hit a roadblock and they are trying to have me come on and help them fix what they vibe coded. And I'm like, that's the last thing I would ever do. It literally your best option is just burn the whole thing down and just build it all over again. Like, I am not touching that.